I'm so excited to bring you another awesome opportunity right here in Stephenson Manor. This home is conveniently located and tucked away in a very quiet neighborhood, away from the hustle and bustle, yet only minutes away from our award-winning sunny beaches and vibrant downtown St. Pete. Hi, I'm Wes Lopez. Welcome to 2695 58th Terrace South. Come on in. This home is spacious with a very open floor plan, 3 bedrooms, 2 full fabulous bathrooms, stainless steel appliances, 2-car garage, wonderful updates. If you've been searching for an amazing opportunity and an exceptional location, your search ends here. For more information about this beautiful home in Stephenson Manor or any other homes in the Tampa Bay area, let's connect today. It would be my absolute pleasure to help making this your next home.